In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make gradient background in Figma. So first of all, we need to add a shape on our canvas. To do that, go to the bottom side and then you will see this toolbar. From here, we need to select this rectangle tool and now drag a rectangle on your canvas. So I want to make my rectangle like this, and now you can change your rectangle color from here. So I want to make it my background. For that, I need to just increase the size according to my canvas, just like this. I need to fit it according to all the corners of my canvas from here, and then we need to go to the right panel and here we'll see this option of fill. We need to select it and after that it will show you the color options. From here you can choose any color for your background. So we want to have a gradient background. For that we need to select this second option, which is gradient. Once we select it, then the gradient will be added for a rectangle, and if you want to change the color of gradient, then just tap here and choose the color for your gradient. I want to make it blue color, and for the second color I want to make it like this, and then we just need to go back from here. Also you can choose the type of your gradient. If you want to have a linear type, then you can select it from here. If you want a radial gradient, then you can select that from here as well. It spreads from the center. And there is another option as well, which is angular, and alternatively you can choose diamond gradient from here as well. So I want to make it linear. You can also change the angle for your gradient. So suppose if I want to rotate it, then I need to tap on this symbol and then the gradient will be rotated. You can also switch the colors from here like this, and then the gradient will be flipped. You can also change the box's position. So if you want to have it like this, then you can set it. If you want to make it like this, then you can do it as well. Also you can change the opacity for your background color so that it will look more good on your canvas. And now to fix it on our canvas, we just need to right click on it and then click on lock/unlock, and then your gradient will be locked, so that if you do anything on our canvas, the gradient stays on our canvas. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.